Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla is here again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, big up and respect to all of my Dans and Danettes. Yeah, as all some Jamaicans might say back in the 80s and the 90s, you see. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to present videos to you that are being talked about on social media, and I'm also going to talk to you about certain things. Now, from here on in this video, viewers and subscribers, some of the things that you're about to see and some of the things that I'm about to talk about might not be suitable for everyone, so viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now, first things first. I saw a video posted on social media that shows a female in a kitchen. I assume that the female did not know that she was being video recorded, and I assume that the female was about to cook when the video had been recorded. I do not know where the video had been recorded, and I do not know if the female was or is a housekeeper or if she was not a housekeeper. The video also shows a date. The same video also shows when the female light the stove that you can see in the video that I'm talking about and then put a pot on the stove. And then the video also shows when the female used a container to somehow get water in the container and then throw water in the pot that was on the stove. The female used the same container to throw water in the pot that was on the stove more than once. Alright? Now, allegedly, the female urinated in the same container that she used to throw water in the pot that was on the stove and then throw the urine in the kitchen sink that you can see in the video that I'm talking about. Now, viewers and subscribers, I am going to say that if the female really and truly did something like that, then I think that can be very unsanitary. That would be wrong. You see me? That's why me, Dancehall skilla, do not eat from any and anyone out there in the viewers and subscribers. You see me? Especially when it comes on to this food that is known as dumplings. Yeah. Dumpling, I prefer to make my own dumplings, and I'm not going to explain certain reasons why I prefer to make my own dumplings. You see me? Because I'm not here to discuss and shock you, my viewers and subscribers. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness to persons out there, whether or not you employ someone to be a housekeeper or not, you understand? And one of the reasons why I talk about this video with you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would also like to know what you think about the situation. Yes, I would also like to know what you think about the situation, and you can also tell me what you think about the things that I just said, alright? Anyways, I'm going to leave this right here, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, viewers and subscribers, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video shows a confrontation between a man and a woman. Now, I want you to take a look at this video carefully and tell me if you think the man was serious about the situation or if you think the man was joking about the situation. You see? Yeah, because during the confrontation between the man and the woman, the man somehow picked up a knife. You see? Now, even though the man did all those things and the man was yelling and shouting at the female and the female was yelling and shouting at the man, you can hear at least two persons laughing in the background of the video. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a good look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. Alright? Now, in this video, you can also hear a certain amount of harsh language. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with my people. Observe.
$600 for Randy. Pay me, mother. You love conversation.
Love conversation too. You don't know what's wrong with your blood clot. Why you man? You want to chop in your you want to chop? Me can't send him money. Me can't send him money. For much of your shop, that's how it's in there. That's the man. Fuck you. I'm going to tell someone with people like that. Come on, me get to me more. I'm quarter of a shop. I'm not just back for
Yeah, deal auntie.
give me my
boss.
Give my
Yeah, give Angie.
Give man that money, man.
Give
My people, you hear me I say, man? It look like them just know say this man nah do nothing. In my point of view, it look like those persons who was inside of that business place, because that is a business place. You see me I say? It look like them know say him nah really do nothing, not just nice him make as some persons might say. Understand me I say? But my gosh, you hear the aggression. No, sir. No, that's aggressive. That's hyperactive behavior in my point of view, my people. No, sir, when me, man. My people, and I real still do, see, no matter how you see a person might run joke all the while, still, you might be surprised for no, so they're serious still. Because I say, even though they might not do nothing. So tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Do you think that man was very serious about the situation? Or do you think he was just putting on a show or an act? Do you think that's how him always behave? And that's why, you might hear persons laughing in the video. You tell me what you think, my people. So I say, now on a serious topic now, viewers and subscribers. The Jamaica Public Service contractor who goes by the name of Ainsley Scott, who was electrocuted while he was working on power lines in Trenchtown, had died on the 7th of February the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that Ainsley Scott passed away while he was at a hospital, and it is said that Ainsley Scott had been hospitalized since Wednesday the 2nd of February the year 2022, and that he has succumbed to his injuries. I also got unconfirmed information that there are residents within the area where the incident happened who somewhat expressed how they feel to know that he had passed away. My condolences to the friends and the families and the loved ones of Ainsley Scott. You see, now I read some things in a news article that had been published on the 7th of February the year 2022 that gave me the understanding that a Clarendon farmer who goes by the name of Sean Edwards says that he suspects that his 30 heads of cattle were stolen last week Sunday, and that he's in somewhat of a shock and belief. See, according to some more things that I read in the same news article, it is said that Edwards is from Lionel Town, and that he said that he put the animals out to eat grass and so forth, like in a open space or area or a field or something like that, and that he put them out to get them grass or eat them grass and so forth, while he was burning this thing that some people might call coal skill. You see me? Some people might say he might burn coal. You see me? And that while he was doing this thing that is known as a coal skill or burning coal, the animals might have or have ventured beyond where they normally would, and he has not seen them since. See? You want to tell me, say, nobody no see them there, cow there and so forth? No, sir. That no sound right at all. Something not right, they say. Understand? Yeah. Anyways, a part of the news article said that the man said that may have 10 bulls, may have young bull where could have sell for 150,000, and all of the cow them have calf, and when if he have back calf, me can't, you see patois one thing me can't read now, so he's no viewers and subscribers, but I will read the last piece here. Me can't put a value upon it. It's endless money that. It's endless money that, he said. See it? Yeah, and there's something I got left with here, my people. And a real 30 heads of cattle. Yeah, that's not nice, A man work hard for him thing and he just gone, so you see what I say. And if he even say them straight go to somebody's place and then see them, You know, then for make sure so the man get back in what they call it, livestock. You see me? Or get back in cattle or in cow or how you don't want to call it. Because that's no fear. You know, man work hard for them things. You see? Anyways, I also never left it, my people. Big up and respect each and everyone. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. I'm big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man.